Today, spaghetti with clams. One of my favorite. Spaghetti alle vongole. Super quick, super fast, super tasty. Let's see the ingredients for 4 people. Starting with a good cold pressed olive oil, 10 tablespoons. Then clams, 1 kilo. I found only the frozen one in a fish shop and I had to thaw them from the previous night. 5 garlic cloves, roughly chopped. Half a bunch of parsley, roughly chopped. 2 chili peppers, roughly chopped. Half a cup of white wine, possibly Chardonnay or Sauvignon Blanc. I only had some Pinot Grigio. And finally, spaghetti alla Molisana number 15, 280 grams. Let's boil some water with 3 teaspoons of salt. When the water boils, drop your spaghettis and stir it a bit. In the meantime, in the wok at high heat, drop 10 tablespoons of olive oil, then the garlic, roughly chopped, followed by the chili pepper, still roughly chopped. Stir it a bit. Time to add the clams with their own water. Cover them with a lid, keep the heat on high and stir it a bit. As I said, I used frozen clams which open up during the thawing process as opposed to fresh clams which open up with the heat of the pot. Once again, keep the heat on high. Time to add the white wine, followed by the parsley roughly chopped. Stir it a bit till the sauce gets greenish. Now, spaghetti are supposed to boil about 11 minutes. Make sure you don't boil them more than 8-9 minutes. Clams also should never cook more than 3 minutes. Hence, take the clams out of the pot and put them aside. Then turn the heat off and filter the sauce. Take the sauce back to the wok and turn the heat on high again. At this point in time, my spaghetti have been cooking for about 8-9 minutes. It's now the time to transfer them to the sauce. Throw the clams back to the wok, stir it well for about a minute and turn the heat off. Your spaghetti with clams is ready. Check this out. I can't wait to taste it, so I serve myself a good plate. And now, the moment of truth. Looks hot. I've been waiting for such a long time. Gosh, so good. Oh.
So tasty, so perfect. I'm sure you've got